Wilder, what you got going on here, dude? So the customer has a lot of water locked in here. So you can hook up downspout, a box here, collection, 18 by 18 box. You're going to connect on this downspout here because all this water coming off that roof. The customer told me that roof and this roof all coming in here. All that was ending up in the sump pump in the basement. So now we're going to take this water, exit over here. Yep. So that'll collect the surface water. Now we're going to take all this water that was going down to the foundation drain. We're going to get it away from the house, exit over here in the woods. Yep.
Put some gravel on the
Yep.
top.
I think you're going to need to be deeper than that, though.
I'll leave the gravel.
Well, I don't want the gravel that high. I want the gravel, we're going to go to soil depth. See where the soil is? We're not going any higher than that. So the gravel's got to be 2 inches below that level when it's full. You got to drop it like 6 inches, if possible. Or, yeah, drop it 6 inches if possible. Where are you going to come with that underneath? How are you going to do that? You're going to wide in? You're going to go past it on the side and then come in the angle, drain into that? How are you going to make that work?
Yeah, I'll make a little more deeper.
No, but you're going to connect it back there to a Y, come into it, to the pipe? So you're going to have the pipe pass it, and then you're going to grab it in a Y?
Yeah, only nice.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you know where the level was before? We don't want it no higher than that. So the gravel needs to be lower than the soil. So any water in here?
I'll leave the gravel really like this side.
No, I want the gravel lower than that.
Okay?
So see where the soil level is? The gravel's got to be about 2 inches below. So all this comes into it here, flow into the gravel. Like you did on the other side for the client a year and a half ago. Let's take a look over here. Good work, Will. Benito! You take those roses and get to your girlfriend? All right, so you're going to take all this down. Where are you exiting this at, Edwin? Down here?
Yeah, sir.
You're going to take it down here?
Yep.
And Wilder, we're talking about going like 5 feet past that into the woods, dig a nice sump, put the gravel in 45 it so that it goes right into it.
Yep.
Okay, good work. All right, guys. All righty, let's get to another job site, Mr. Grady. So this is the sump pump line that comes out. The yeah, that all takes care of. What am I think here? So the plumber goes, hey, have it dumped down straight down to a hard pipe, and shoot it that way.
Yep.
So he said right here where it comes through, put so you got the 4-inch PVC, and then you got the gutter type top. Shove it in there just so it goes down a little. Have that natural break in case it freezes.
So that's why that should be 45 right there when it comes out.
Yeah. So well, that's y'all's department. He goes hard line it to about there, and then just like whatever you want that way.
Hard line right there. Okay. That's why he's a plumber. He's not in the drainage.
This thing ain't running. It's not going to run much. It doesn't run all the time.
Oh, okay. It's not a daily thing.
It's not a daily thing.
Okay, but it still needs to come out further than that.
Yeah. He said take it out. He said take it way out to here.
Well, we would take it to the hill so it goes going out.
That's exactly. He said push it.
But if we're going to do that, you want to take these other gutters too, Scotty? No. What does Mom want to do?
Hide that. I want that hidden. You know, he said bring it out like out to here.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. No, the gutters are fine.
Is this all we're doing here?
Yeah, that's all.
All right.
That's easy.
This is $3 million.
That's fine.
Cash.
I got right. Well, you want cash here? I got to go to the guy around the corner who's doing the yard work at my house, and here's cash. There's cash right here. I kid you not. It's more worried about just hiding this pipe so it doesn't create a problem.
Okay.
Because what we had before wasn't working.
Yep. This will create a problem if we don't address it.
Correct. And it doesn't. Here's the problem. We'll go 10 months and it won't run at all.
Okay.
And then when we get that heavy rain, boom, that water table comes up just enough.
Yeah, it'll engage it.
It'll engage this.
Yeah.
And it's 2 sump pumps downstairs.
Kind of like your rotors on your chopper. Yeah. You engage them, then you have to pull it back.
Right.
And pull up.
Correct.
Right.
Make it all work, right?
Absolutely.
So.
That's what I did when I was in Vietnam flying.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, that's where I met your father in Vietnam.
I'm sure you met him in Vietnam.
You know, him and I used to take out everybody.
His ass was at NSA at that point.
Did you ever meet his dad?
I don't think so.
Never met my dad.
Yeah, he was something else.
He never
One of a kind. You met Pete once, you knew it. You'd remember, wouldn't
You
you?
always remember Pete when you met him. That's the whole thing. You would. The best time what we would do is him and I, we would just go. He goes, hey, I got to run some errands. Want to go? Fine. You want a coffee?
Yeah, he'd get a coffee and a donut. All the time he'd spill it. Dad,
Yeah.
stop spilling the coffee.
Yeah,
Stop.
he didn't care.
He didn't care.
All right, so
So-
we're taking care of that.
Yeah.
All right. So we need to get these materials, Mr. Cameraman, get these materials for this job and get this on a schedule. Putting a 22 on there, Edwin?
I think so 45.
45?
Yeah.
145, not 222s. Okay. Yeah, it's going to work well for this client. Got the drain hooked up. Now we got a basin here, and the water that comes in here off the pool deck or into here. Boom, it's out of here. Now the client can replant this fall. Get this done. Great fall on it. Work out well. That'll work out well. All right, we gotta get to another job site. We'll talk to you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.